Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your character needs solid fire resistance and mobility, so equip items that grant 50% or more protection. Once ready, gather the map shard, a reliable torch, and 3 consumables for combat or healing. Head out from base camp at 12 degrees N, 7 degrees E at dawn. The path is visible then. Move deliberately, use landmarks and the map shard to orient yourself, and keep the torch lit to reveal heat-warp tracks that point toward the flaming mountains. Once you're in the foothills, switch to active tracking. Follow heat-warped footprints and ash trails, scanning every 200 meters for broken vegetation or scorch marks. Make sure to use ranged scans or binoculars from ridgelines to spot elevated perches and smoke vents where the keeper might rest. Engage environmental puzzles as they appear. Aligning 3 lava mirrors or extinguishing 2 steam geysers often opens sealed routes. Move methodically, combine clues, and conserve supplies so you can reach the keeper's zone. You arrive at the keeper's domain, apply all buffs and proceed slowly to silence traps and avoid alerting minions. Once engaged, choose a strategy. Bait to expose attacks, flank for backstabs, or parley if dialogue is an option. Target the keeper's weak points revealed by earlier clues. If progress stalls, backtrack about 500 meters, reset triggered puzzles, and respawn any landmarks before trying again. Troubleshoot by checking heat resistance, inventory, and map shard alignment. Repeat deliberate steps and you'll claim success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.